Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today we are making spinach omelette. This is ideal for pregnant women because it is not only having protein but also have iron. So for this we require garlic, onion, garam masala, turmeric, green chili, salt to taste, egg and spinach. Medium bunch of spinach. So let's start making spinach omelette. So take a fry pan, add 1 teaspoon of oil. Now in a bowl take 2 eggs, and add salt to taste, half a teaspoon of green chili, half a teaspoon of onion, quarter teaspoon of garlic finely chopped, and quarter teaspoon of garam masala. And now beat the egg mixture properly. Remember your oil is heat up, so spread it all over the pan. Now in a egg mixture add half a bunch of finely chopped spinach and beat it again. Beat it very properly. Now in a fry pan add 1 teaspoon of garlic, 2 teaspoon of onion sliced, and cook till onion is pink. It will take around half a minute. Now add quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder and quarter teaspoon of garam masala. Mix it well and add rest of the spinach and cook till spinach is reduced. Beat your egg mixture once again. Your spinach is reduced, so now we will add a pinch of salt in it and mix it again, so the extra moisture of the spinach will evaporate. Now spread the spinach all over the fry pan and add the egg mixture into the cooked spinach. Now cover it and leave it for a minute. After a minute you can use your omelette like this only, and if you want to cook your omelette from both sides, then turn it over and cook it for half a minute. After half a minute your healthy spinach omelette is ready to eat. You can use it as a breakfast, so must try spinach omelette.